How to fix input signal out of range monitor error. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First, you need to change the resolution. For that, you need to click on Windows search icon at bottom left and open settings. Click open at right panel. After that, go to system. Now choose recovery and after that you need to click on advanced startup and click on start or restart now button. After that you have to choose troubleshoot, then advanced option and startup setting and restart. After that you need to simply select option 4, that is safe mode. After that, once in the safe mode, you can easily press Windows, press I to open settings. Then you can easily go to system and then click on display. And then you need to select the defective monitor and adjust the display resolutions to the supported value from the drop down. Once you have done that, you need to follow step 2. That is, you can easily reinstall graphic drivers. A faulty graphics driver might also cause this error. For that, right click on your start menu and then select device manager. Expand display adapters and then right click on your graphics driver and then select uninstall device, and after that you need to reinstall the driver. After that, restart your PC and check for the updates via the application. Install any available updates. With this method, you should resolve the input signal out of range error. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.